Hi, this is Carson Bennett, and in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the online reader. For those who are comfortable with reading coursework on a computer screen, we formatted individual reading assignments and have built an optimized online reader for your use. Here's a quick tutorial on how to use it. Starting from the dashboard, we're going to go ahead and click on our course. And on the coursework page, we're then going to scroll down past the PDF download and click on the reading assignment in this week's topic. Now that you've got the online reader open, here are some tips that can improve your online reading experience. If you click on this grid icon, it should be the second one from the left, a sidebar will open. It contains thumbnail previews of all of the pages, and by clicking on the individual thumbnails, you can quickly and easily browse through the document. I'm going to close that back up. Now the next icon to the right is the light bulb. Clicking this will change the color theme of the reader, optimizing it for reading in well or dimly lit environments. Now the controls in the middle are fairly self-explanatory. The arrows are used to navigate forward and back. The plus and minus can zoom in and out. And the vertically crossed arrows, by clicking it, allows you to navigate through the document by clicking and dragging on the page. Now on the right side, the first icon is a link to download the PDF version of this abridged document. Clicking it will take you to Dropbox where you can complete that download. The icon furthest to the right will take the reader full screen. And finally, in order to return to your course page, simply click the back arrow in the top left corner of the screen. Thanks for watching. For more video tutorials just like this one, make sure to check out the user guide and training course, accessible from your dashboard on I-Nhss online.